morning, 3-4A.
Good morning, Mr. A.
Okay, quick roll call. Thomas,
Present.
Stella.
Here.
Okay, all present and correct. The lesson focus today in 3-4A is place value.
Dad, Mr. A, makes us start the lesson with WALT. WALT is we are learning to apply place value, read, write and say numbers of any size.
We always try and tailor the lessons so that they're sort of focused on experiences. When we were on the Spirit of Tasmania, the children each had a little fact sheet here. As you can see, there's some fairly large numbers in there, and so that there's some relevance and that they can understand what those numbers mean, that's why we've made that the focus.
Start with a 5-minute warm-up game.
Started obviously just with the 3-digit numbers, and so I would say to the children, okay, write down the number. It might be 214. Check it if that was okay. Right now I might try and make it a little harder one, so I might say write down the number 304, so they're having to put the 0 in to hold the place. And once they'd shown they'd done that, we could start moving on and we go into the 6-digit numbers. Then we introduced the millions, so we talked about the fact that it has 6 digits after it. Then we got to the point where we were doing 9-digit numbers, so 904,348,609. Tommy, what have we been working on?
The Trendsetter house.
Yep, so that's the first house here. What can you tell us about it?
It has 3 rooms. It's the hundreds, tens and ones.
Okay, why is it called the Trendsetter house?
Because it sets the trend.
What, for the other houses to follow, is it?
Yep.
So we can only have one number in each room of the house. Okay, cool. So
And
what's the next house there?
the thousands house.
What was this house here we had?
The millions.
Oh, the millions. And now we're starting to get into serious digits. How many digits if we include all the, like the millions house, the thousands house, the Trendsetter house? Do you remember?
9.
9 digits, and they're getting pretty serious now, aren't they? To consolidate.
So me or Tommy can write it. So Tommy is now, and then I write the so he says it, and then I write the number, and then if I get it wrong, I don't get a point. But
Okay.
if I get it right, I get a point, and then we do tallies.
Let's see how it goes.
Yeah. So 709,198,000. Yeah. 649. Yeah. Did I get it right? Let's see. You got it right. Got it right. Now I do tally.
And then for some consolidation, they can do a little bit of bookwork. There's a Maths Plus book. You can pick those up at any good bookstore. Well, there's heaps of sheets online that you can just download as well. There we have it. That's today's lesson on place value.